Alright, so here are some Trane Odyssey units at this museum place. I think that might be a straight cool air conditioner. Lines go all the way to the top there. This one appears to be smaller. I can't, yeah, those are Trane. I think I saw a lot more units around somewhere. Let's see. That is down there. Let's see if I can see. I think they're from 2006. There's one more over here. Another Trane Odyssey. Place is closed, so I don't think we're gonna get anything running. And these are shut off. Maybe the building is not. Oh, I guess it is. That one's shut off, but these are on. Alright, let's see. I'll see if we can find any more around here. So,